All right, I'm gonna do a little update here on one of my places. First off, painted fence, unpainted fence. First, my nephew had something to say. Say it again. Like and subscribe, people. He wants me to get up to Mr. Beast category. I'll be happy if I get 500 subscribers. All right, so update on the place. Painting the fence. Fence is going good. We rebuilt
a house?
No, not a house. We rebuilt a gate over here. I have him. This whole gate was completely tore apart. I'm in the middle of filming a video here. Nobody cares about YouTube. Nobody. Anyway, so had to rebuild all of this. Aiden, do not go out there by that road. So this was extremely hard to get this straight. Got it straight. So we have the steps. We've cut all the posts on this property. The only thing that I really have left on this property to pay, we have to put the brick up, which I'm not doing that. Hang on, dude, let me make my video. Why do you want to get filmed? Why? You said I had a boring YouTube channel. We got to paint this shed. And here is the new addition.
A deck's over here.
Yep. So.
Inside kind of
Echoey inside. 8x16 deck. This cost me $2,300. I could have built it myself, but it's like the time. It's just better to go ahead and have it done. I'm very happy with it. The placement was good. He actually, hang on, dude. The placement was, yeah. So, give a little tour of the property. What did you say?
Can you show them the inside?
I've kind of already filmed the inside, but I'll go ahead and make a little video inside. Did I leave the door open? Let me see.
Let's go!
Here we go. Cavco Phoenix. Don't bounce that, dude. There's my wonderful helper, my beautiful daughter. Y'all have seen the inside of these before. You ever get a chance, check out my brother Donnie. I love their channel. They do a bunch of mobile home tours. They've toured the Cavco Phoenix.
And tiny and cute.
The master bedroom is this. It's huge in here.
And this is a bathroom.
Bathroom.
Yeah.
You have his and her sinks. I am missing a toilet lid. Toilet lid missing.
Bath right here. Bath.
Nice bath. What's this over here?
Tailors.
Closet. What is this?
2 seats.
All right, show me the
Why
rest.
is it 2 seats? It's not a 2 toilets.
For his and her. All right, show me this room.
A master bedroom.
Master bedroom. Where would you put the bed, ma'am? Camera shy. Camera shy. I'm gonna follow her. All right, what would we do here, y'all? Living room.
Bedroom. A couch gonna be right there, and a TV gonna be.
Does your video have to be this long?
Yes. Even though everybody quits watching after 2 minutes. Give me a thumbs up if you're still watching after 2 minutes. So, here we have it, people. Here we have it. Yes.
That's a shed back there.
That's the shed. Tell me, do y'all think the shed adds to the property?
Not really.
Yeah. So we have the bedrooms over here. We have the bathroom.
Another bathroom. Another.
These bedrooms are huge, y'all. Like, any of these bedrooms,
Another bedroom. Because we can toss it in here.
any of these bedrooms basically could be like a master bedroom.
Yeah.
Like they're big. Like they're bigger.
Baba who made a bedroom for
How many bed? How many bedrooms does this have? 6 or 7?
6, 7.
6, 7. Yes, internet. All right, people. Land home package.
Bye.
Almost done.
Bye.
Not done yet. So this place, when all said and done, I have $207,000 into this. My hard-earned money just sitting here. It feels so weird to own something that you're never gonna live in. It's odd. It's odd.
It's ugly over here.
Thanks for everybody subscribing. I'm gonna try to post some more videos.